So hey everyone, in today's video I'm going to share you 4 steps to follow to crack BAS SAS exam in 2025. In step 1, you have to practice from BAS SAS exam that is given by SAS company itself, and that you can visit through their website itself. Okay, I'm going to give you link as well for all the steps we are talking about. So you're going to get the link at the end of this video. I'm going to give you what you're going to do in that practice exam. In that practice exam, exactly it will be like BAS SAS original exam. It's going to help you to understand, are you able to solve the problems or not, are you able to score well or not. Now let's move to the second step, that is reading the book BAS SAS Programming using 9.4. In this book, a lot of scenarios are there, a lot of questions are there, or MCQs are there. You can solve these MCQ questions and solve the scenario based questions, and this will bring your understanding to next level. And even a detailed learning approach is also there in this book. You can learn even SAS from this book. That much powerful this book is. So this book contains 400 pages, and believe me guys, you don't have to go through this entire 400 pages. You just go through some of the parts where you need to solve questions or scenario based questions, and once you do this task, that is more than enough for you. Now let's talk about the third step. So you have to go through a course which is offered by SAS company itself. That is a free course, and once you complete this course, you're gonna get a free batch as well from SAS company itself. And the benefit of going through this course is a lot of questions are there, and this training is provided by SAS company itself. So you can say it's a free course, and it will be a quick revision for you if you have already completed your SAS. This is going to ensure before giving the BAS SAS exam, you are having sufficient knowledge to crack the BAS SAS exam. And again, for this also I'm going to give you the link at the end of this video. Now let's talk about the fourth step. Fourth step is the final step, is booking your slot and scheduling your day and time. There are two options, as you all know. You can book the online slot. It means you can give your exam online from your computer itself, or you can choose the nearby center. In all the cities there are centers where you can go and give the BAS SAS exam. So this video was an overview. This video was not a detailed video. Coming to this thing, that if you want a detailed video for all of this 4 steps, like step 1, how to practice from the BAS SAS exam, step 2, how to read that book, step 3, how to begin with that course in an efficient way, and step 4, how to book the slot. If you want a detailed video in each of the steps, you can let me know in the comments. I'll create a separate video for each of the steps in detail. For these 4 steps, as I have told you, I'm going to give you the link. So how you're going to get the link? In this video description, you're going to get a Google form, and you have to fill that Google form. And once you're going to fill the Google form, at the end, once you submit it, you're going to get a link. And once you're going to click on that link, you're going to get an access of an Excel sheet which is going to contain each of these steps, step 1, 2, 3, 4, and the task and the link, okay, to access the documents, that book BAS SAS learning by using 9.4. For each of these things, how to book the slot, there will be a link. Practice exam, for that also you're going to get the link. For each of the tasks which I have told to you, you're going to get the link. Yeah, you can let me know in the comment if you want a detailed video. And that's all for today. Thank you everyone, and bye bye everyone.